Almost everyone says, "I'll do it tomorrow." We say it when we are tired. We say it when the task feels boring. We say it when we are afraid to fail. Tomorrow feels safe. Tomorrow feels far away. Tomorrow feels like it will give us more energy, more time, and more motivation. But here is the truth. Tomorrow is often just today in disguise. When we say, "I'll do it tomorrow," we are not choosing rest. We are choosing delay. Imagine a simple situation. You want to learn English. Today, you plan to study for 20 minutes. But you open your phone, scroll a little and say, "I'm tired. I'll study tomorrow." Tomorrow comes. You feel the same. So you say it again. Days pass. Weeks pass. And one day, you wonder, why is my English still not improving? The answer is not intelligence. The answer is not talent. The answer is the small sentence, "I'll do it tomorrow." This habit is called procrastination. It means delaying something even when we know it is important. Why do we procrastinate? One reason is fear. We fear doing something badly, so we choose to do nothing. Another reason is comfort. Doing nothing feels easy now, even if it hurts us later. And sometimes, we procrastinate because the task feels too big. So instead of starting small, we run away. But let me tell you something important, my friend. You don't need motivation to start. You need action to create motivation. When you wait to feel ready, you may wait forever. But when you start, even a little, your energy begins to grow. Think about pushing a heavy door. At first, it is hard. But once it moves, it becomes easier. Action works the same way. So how can we stop saying, "I'll do it tomorrow"? Here are some simple ideas. First, make the task very small. Not, "I will study English for 1 hour." Just, "I will study for 5 minutes." 5 minutes is not scary. And most of the time, after 5 minutes, you continue. Second, start before you feel ready. You don't need the perfect mood. You don't need perfect conditions. You only need to begin. Third, remember this sentence. The future is built by what I do today. Every small action today is a gift to your future self. Let's look at life more deeply. When you always say, "I'll do it tomorrow," you are teaching your brain that promises don't matter. But when you do what you say, even in small ways, you build trust with yourself. And self-trust is powerful. It gives you confidence. It gives you peace. One day, you will wake up and realize something. The people who move forward are not the most talented. They are not the smartest. They are simply the ones who start today. They choose action over excuses. They choose progress over perfection. They understand that today is the only real time we have. So next time your mind says, "I'll do it tomorrow," pause for a moment. Ask yourself, what small thing can I do right now? Not later, not tomorrow, but now. Even one small step is enough. Tomorrow is a promise. Today is power. Choose today, and your future will quietly change. Thank you for listening, my friend. If you enjoyed this message, please like, subscribe, and stay with us for more English motivation every day.